world's 5 largest natural forests. Forests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and providing oxygen for all living beings. They are home to millions of species and play a crucial role in maintaining Earth's biodiversity. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the 5 largest natural forests in the world. 5. Daintree Rainforest. Lastly, we visit Australia's Daintree Rainforest, one of the oldest rainforests on Earth, dating back over 180 million years. Spanning 1,200 square kilometers, this ancient forest is a hotspot of biodiversity, home to unique species like the cassowary and tree kangaroo. It is a place where the forest meets the reef, as the Daintree extends to the Great Barrier Reef, making it a truly one-of-a-kind ecosystem. 4. Valdivian Temperate Rainforest. Our next stop takes us to South America's Valdivian Temperate Rainforest, located primarily in Chile and Argentina. Covering about 248,100 square kilometers, this forest is known for its dense, moss-covered trees and unique species like the pudu, the world's smallest deer. Unlike tropical rainforests, Valdivian forests experience cooler temperatures and heavy rainfall, creating a habitat unlike any other. 3. Congo Rainforest. Moving to Africa, we arrive at the Congo Rainforest, the second largest tropical rainforest in the world. Spanning over 3.7 million square kilometers across 6 countries, this ancient forest is home to some of the world's most iconic wildlife, including gorillas, chimpanzees, and forest elephants. The Congo Basin is a crucial carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon each year. However, logging and mining continue to threaten its delicate balance. 2. Taiga, the Boreal Forest. Next, we travel north to the Taiga, also known as the Boreal Forest. Covering approximately 12 million square kilometers across Canada, Russia, and Scandinavia, it is the world's largest biome. This vast forest is home to hardy species like bears, wolves, and moose, and it plays a key role in absorbing carbon from the atmosphere. Despite its resilience, climate change is causing rising temperatures and wildfires, posing a significant threat to this ecosystem. 1. Amazon Rainforest. First on our list is the Amazon Rainforest, the world's largest and most biodiverse forest. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth. It produces about 20% of the world's oxygen and houses more than 10% of all known species. Unfortunately, deforestation threatens this natural wonder, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. These forests are more than just breathtaking landscapes, they are vital to life on Earth. Protecting them is essential for the future of our planet. Whether through conservation efforts, sustainable practices, or raising awareness, every action counts. Let's work together to preserve these incredible ecosystems for generations to come. Protect our forests. Message on screen with a call to action to support conservation efforts.